Hey, it's Jim from Intermountain Custom Models. Just finished weathering this Intermountain EH44AC BNSF new image 3888, and it has a rail power speaker in it. I think it has lock sound in it. I forgot because somebody actually put the sound in it when I bought it, but it has all the nice bells and whistles. Check this out. It's a beautiful engine, by the way, and it looks like they also put the stuff on the windows to make it dark. Everything appears to be in nice working order on this unit. Otherwise, all right, thanks for watching. Bye.